What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Valorant error code WAN1 on your system whenever you're trying to launch the game and how we can fix this error. So let me directly get into a step. So the first and foremost step, if you are using any unplugging external devices such as SD card, then micro SD card, SSD, everything should be unplugged from your device, or you have to unplug it completely. Then afterwards, what we need to do is you can just go over here, search for the settings, go for the settings. Now from here, navigate to network and internet. Now if the Wi-Fi is turned on, we have to turn this off. Once the Wi-Fi is turned off, we need to unplug your Wi-Fi router from the electricity, which means you should unplug it from the router, which means from the power source. Then afterwards you have to connect using the mobile hotspot. After turning off the Wi-Fi, use mobile hotspot on your device. Once the mobile hotspot is done, you have to, if the right client is launched, you have to close the right client. Then you have to try launch the game. Afterwards, you might be getting another error which is called 1067. If it is receiving, you don't have to worry, just close it and please proceed with the game. But if you're still having the trouble, then what we need to do is just close the game, close the right client, go over here on the start, just do a restart. Once the restart is done, you just need to go back to the settings over here. You have to just turn on the Wi-Fi once again, turn off the mobile hotspot, turn on the Wi-Fi, and this time you have to go over here on the game and you have to launch it. Most probably you'll not be having the trouble with WAN1 error code. I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.